Hi everyone and welcome to Crypto James. It's Guy here, and in today's video we're going to learn about a very interesting NFT project that is very looking for the long term. So if you are interested in being one of the early investors, incredible NFT project, make sure to watch till the end in order to enjoy all the benefits and hopefully make some money doing so. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So first of all, what is the Last Society and what NFT project is coming out on the 23rd of January 2022 at 5 p.m. UTC. So there's a story and there is a new hope that 20 years ago, a calamity of staggering magnitude shook the grounds of the planet, an occurrence beyond belief. And today, only the remnant of civilization remain, and destruction left luck to few survivors, outlining a bleak, blank future. Or so it was thought. In the wake of the world lost in ruin, the fading ray of hope glimmers in the dark present, yet unseen. Yet it remains hidden, overshadowed. In the cracks of the walls, under unturned pieces of stone, between the deafening silence, hidden in plain sight, the last remains of society. To those who seek, all shall be revealed. And it's an incredible project, actually. And the Last Society is a new community-driven NFT collection. And the Genesis collection will have an initial drop of 3,000 unique digital collectibles living in the Cardano blockchain, and each survivor is one of a kind and algorithmically created from more than 100 possible traits, including but not limited to masks, companions, clothes, and etc. And the survivors are made with care, but one might be rare than the other. And as you all know, rarity a lot of times means worth more money. They are hosted through IPFS and permanently stored on the Cardano blockchain, and the minting price will be 60. And before we continue, I just want to show you what incredible project it is. As you can see that they have on their Twitter account over 1,000 followers, which is a good sign. And you see that they have also retweets, and you see that they also have a community that engaging with each other, which is very important. And in the beginning, you see that already from a small society, they are still growing. Now, besides that, you can see on their Discord that they have 665 members, and they are 206 online currently. So you see that it's a big percentage of the people in the society are online, which means that it's a good sign that they are legit and communicating with each other. And this is a very important aspect when you're looking at NFT projects, to see that they have a strong community that are engaging with each other. Because if you see it's a product is just planned and there isn't any engagement between the followers, and to have a strong community in NFT projects is very important, especially in the beginning, because those are part of the investors. You know, there are a lot of partners and a lot of investors for project, but a big part of NFT's chances to succeed is actually the community behind it. Now, the milestones are incredible because in the beginning there was the website, Discord, and Twitter creation that, as you can see, they already did. A member of their team gets a TLS tattoo to commemorate the project. The chosen 5 special Discord role with certain utility, and then in 40% donation to a charity of your choice, meaning that you're becoming a part of a community. And the 60%, there will be an auction of 1 unique NFTs, and the 80%, they will start working on the project full time, and in the 100%, 50% of the revenue goes to the community wallet that will be controlled by our community, meaning there isn't one person that decides about everything, but it's actually you are taking part of the decision of what to do with the money in the wallet as well. Now, what is Manifesto? So they aim to reward their holders and the community for their unparalleled support. And furthermore, they want to create a long-standing franchise by providing continuous value. So they wish to build a project that the team and the community will be proud to be part of and stand behind. And the goal is to make sure that every one of their holders is heard and their opinion is valued, so that they can build this community together from the ground up, which is incredible. And we see here on their goal that they're actually looking for the long term and not just a one-time project and a one-time thing. And it's very, very important when you're looking on different NFT projects, if you're deciding which one to invest, or at least which one to start looking at, to see that they're looking for the long term, because this is the idea of investment. It's not only trading, but the idea is to invest and to actually make your money work for you. Now, here's the roadmap. So in the first phase, they released the TLS Genesis collection, verification on all CNFTs marketplace, auctions of rare one-of-one collectibles, set up a DAO, and charity donation chosen by the holders. In phase 2, holders vote for the future of the project, expansion of the TLS team, begin working on a merch store, and then start development on a play-to-earn game, announce information about future collection. Now, this is incredible because the idea of playing to earn, I think it's the best way possible that you can use your time to play, because if you are already enjoying playing in different games, why not to also make money from doing so? I think it's incredible, because if you're already a gamer and you're already playing, why not to make income? It's great. It's like passive income, because it's just getting in for you doing whatever you want, which is playing. In the third phase, the NFT collab begin working on the first set volume of TLS comic book, and they will release white papers for the future token and game, and they will release a playable open beta for TLS holders and creation of roadmap 2.0. And their team, if you want, you can actually see on each one of them, on the founder, developer, art director, and you can find their Twitter right here. And as you can see, you can just click in here. Let's take him for example, and you can see his Twitter, and you can see his post, and you can see in here different creations. So for example, you can see in here a post of the Last Society. So for example, you can see here a post of the Last Society, as you can see in here. So if you're interested to see their incredible team and to see what gifted artists they have in here, you're more than welcome to go to their website by clicking the link down below, thelastsociety.club. And in general, if you have any questions, you are more than welcome to go to here and to actually click on FAQs. And here you will be able to see a lot of questions that you're probably asking. So for example, what is the Last Society? So for example, if you want to learn what is the Last Society, or how can I buy a survivor? So you can see in here that the Last Society collection is not yet released. However, you can purchase one through an address shared in their Discord server when it is out. So if you want to stay notified, make sure to follow them on their Discord. As I said, you can get there by clicking the link down below to their website, The Last Society, and then to scroll right to the bottom, and you will see that you have a link in here to their Discord and their Twitter. And also you can find here their policy ID. Now besides that, there is an incredible NFT project that you can find on eternity.io of Dak Prescott and Ezekiel Elliott, and you can actually see their collection in here. So for example, in here you can find the journey in a price of $2,140 according to today. You can choose the 214 wearable NFT, which actually currently the item price is 25 million stones, and you can see that there is 100 editions, and if you want, you can read about the different descriptions in here. You can also get the wearable shoulder pads, and currently only $600, but it's according to today, so it doesn't mean that it will be forever like that. So if you're interested, make sure to go to the link down below, eternity.io, to the collection of Dak Prescott and Ezekiel Elliott, and get as fast as possible one of their NFT. Now, their collection actually was launched in the 15th of January. So if you're interested in one of those NFTs or more, make sure to go to eternity.io by clicking the link down below. Now, another incredible NFT is the Metaverse wearable jersey. As you can see, that currently costs $200, and all you need to do in order to do that is to click on select and buy, connect your wallet, or to sign up. If you didn't sign up, log in, and then you can purchase it. And the process is very easy. All you need to do is just to, as I said, to sign up, and you will be able to do that. And the collection, by the way, is minted on the Polygon. And another incredible jersey is the Metaverse wearable jersey of Elliott. So if you're a fan of Elliott and you're interested in this NFT, make sure to go to eternity.io and purchasing as fast as possible. If you see it right now, it doesn't mean that it will last forever. And for a legend like Zeke Elliott, an NFT can grow in value much more than $200. Now, the partnership between Dak Prescott, Ezekiel Elliott, and Eternity was was talked in a lot of news websites like Businessware, as you can see in here, also in Yahoo Finance, and also in cryptonews.net. So if you're interested to learn more about this incredible project and the opportunity of this project, make sure to go to Eternity.io by clicking the link down below, and you will be able to find and to read about this incredible project. So make sure that if you're interested in one of those creation or even more, make sure to purchase as fast as possible. The process to sign up is very, very simple. You just click on sign up, put all your details, connect your wallet, and that's mainly it. So make sure to do that as fast as possible. And if you're having trouble, make sure to contact Eternity and in order to get started as fast as possible. So if you're interested in the incredible limited edition NFTs and metaverse wearable collectible featuring the superstars, teammates Dak Prescott and Ezekiel Elliott of the Dallas Cowboys, make sure to go to Eternity.io as fast as possible by clicking the link down below and get started. So for summary, if you're interested in the Last Society project, make sure to sign up to all of their social medias, to follow them, to get notified as fast as possible about any announcement about this incredible project in order to enjoy all the benefits that you can make and also enjoy in the future by playing in their game and also by hopefully in their increasing value of their NFTs. So thanks again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our Crypto James channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.